Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. Happy New Year to all of you. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can create your very own driving distance app using Excel, all with the help of our Excel Driving Distance Calculator. Just a quick overview of Excel Distance Calculators. For over 16 years, we've been dedicated to building Excel tools that automate your day-to-day tasks, reduce errors, and make your workflow easier. With more than 50 tools developed and over 7,500 clients benefiting from them, our tools are designed to simplify complex tasks in a user-friendly way. For any task that deals with locations and logistics, our tools can help you manage it efficiently. Today we're focusing on our Excel Distance Calculator. This specific tool is perfect for anyone needing to calculate distances between multiple locations directly in Excel. There's nothing to install. Just download the tool, ensure you have a Google Maps API key, and you're ready to go. Here's how it works. Simply paste your starting and ending addresses into the first two columns. As you can see here, we've entered various address formats, including full addresses, zip codes, cities, states, and even latitudes and longitudes. Because the tool utilizes the Google Maps API to calculate distances, it's very forgiving regarding the type of address you can use. Plus, it works for all addresses all around the world, and you can calculate up to thousands of distances at once and get the results in minutes. Once we've done that, just hit the Calculate button, and all you have to do is watch as the tool calculates the driving distances and driving times between each pair of locations. It's that easy. Our tools are user-approved, with over 120 five-star Google reviews telling us how our tools have helped them save hours of work and made their lives much easier. One user even mentioned that our tool is underpriced. Additionally, we've received countless emails saying how easy to use, fast, and effective the tools have been. This kind of feedback is invaluable, and it helps us continuously improve. To get the tool, you can click on the download link in the description below. If you have any questions or need customizations to the tool, don't hesitate to contact us. Our phone number and email are also in the description and flashed on the screen. When you call, you'll be speaking directly with Vinnie, the genius behind Excel Distance Calculators. And yes, he will pick up the phone. Some are actually surprised that he does that, and they don't have to go through an answering machine or talk to a customer service representative. You may also chat with us directly through our website. And again, you'll be chatting with a real person, not a bot. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with our new tools. Our mastermind is cooking up something really cool. Again, this is Mike. Until next time.